Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon Red on Switch. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch console is updated to the latest system software. Next, you'll need an active subscription to Nintendo Switch Online. This service provides access to a library of classic games, including many from the Game Boy era. Once subscribed, you can easily download the necessary application to begin your adventure. To get started, head over to the Nintendo eShop directly from your Switch home screen. Once there, use the search function to find the Game Boy Nintendo Switch Online application. It's a free download for subscribers. After downloading, simply launch the application from your home screen. Inside, you'll find a selection of Game Boy games, including the iconic Pokémon Red, ready for you to play. Prepare to journey back to the Kanto region with its original charm. The game retains its classic pixel art and iconic chiptune soundtrack, just as you remember it. The Nintendo Switch Online application also offers modern conveniences, like save states, allowing you to pause and resume your adventure anytime. You can even connect with friends for local or online multiplayer battles and trades, just like the good old days. Don't stop with Pokémon Red. The Game Boy Nintendo Switch Online application offers many other fantastic retro titles to explore. If you're a fan of classic gaming, consider upgrading to the Nintendo Switch Online Plus expansion pack for even more retro consoles and games. It's a great way to dive deeper into gaming history. Also, for a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.